We do have another panel that we'd like to introduce. It has a little bit to do with what we just talked about, but we're going deeper into the retail and consumer goods sector. As we know, the use of additive technologies is directly affecting productions in stores, the length of production cycles, and the individualization of products as well, from shoes to clothes to everyday devices. So digital manufacturing will increase the speed of retail and expand the interaction with customers. To what lengths we have yet to see. And we would like to invite some very special people here to talk more about that. We have our moderator, the instigator at FabCity Research Lab, Mr. Tomás Díez.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have fun.
So, yeah, it's me again. Sorry. This is a really nice continuation and connection to the panel that we just had before, in which we're making the questions about what happens when tools for production are back into the hands of designers, producers, and consumers. Which are the boundaries of the designer, where the designer stops designing? Which are the boundaries in which the consumer probably can become the designer or not? And even further, when the designer, the consumer, and the producer becomes the same person. So this is part of the retail verticals that we are having here at In3D. And I'm really delighted to come with a panel, a little bit a different format from the one we had before, since we're going to have introduction of the practices of these people that you will see now. And then what I'm going to do after is try to drive some questions towards their work, and also trying to find the connections and the points of intersections between, the emergent maker movement, the designers, the local production, and actually with the large-scale industries that are providing the tools for these designers to make, to think, and to deploy products to the world differently. So we're going to have, as you can read, different panelists, starting from a thesis project in which she wanted to push the boundaries of local manufacturing and the connection with fashion. We have Ms. Danit Pelek that is going to talk about some interesting experimentation in small, large-scale 3D printing in fashion, probably. So then we're going to have Dr. Juan Carlos Dustoller. I'm sorry if I'm not pronouncing well the name. And that we're going to talk about that really specific design in the wearable world, specific in the eyewear, and how the implementation of advanced manufacturing is changing their business. And then we will have Luis Valdez from HP, together with Bernard Cuny. They're going to talk about the experimentation of the new technologies that HP is developing in terms of 3D printing and advanced manufacturing. So, Danit, I think they're going to deliver a presentation to us. Please come to stage with your amazing 3D printed skirt, or no? Yeah? Please? Yeah? Please give it a hand, Dan Pelek.
Thank you.